There's always worms over here. Who needs the bait shop? Laid up everywhere. It's a good thing to have ducks. Holy crap. What's happening, folks? So I was gonna go bluegill fishing at a place I've never bluegill fished before. It's called Headwaters. And on the way there, I went to stop and get some gas, and my my trailer broke in half because it's rusted out. So luckily I was able to, you know, kind of rig something up to make it back. This is what I did. It's pretty crazy. I took a piece of 2x4 and shaved it down with the hatchet, stuck it in the channel of that metal, or whatever you call that, and then I just duct taped it so it wouldn't fall out. But it got me home. I had to take the motor off and shimmy the boat off the trailer. Luckily I didn't go too far. I just stopped at the gas station right down the road and was gonna get gas, and I looked back at the boat, and sure enough it was looking pretty weird. So I went back there and fixed it up and was able to make it home. So it's time to repaint the boat and all that good stuff anyways. And luckily somebody down the road in the neighborhood has a trailer that's been sitting there for years, so hopefully he'll call me back and let me know if he's gonna want to sell it or not. But so my new plan is, after digging up all those worms and whatnot, I'm gonna go to the neighborhood canal right down the road on the dirt bike, take a rod, I got a backpack cooler, I got the worms, and see if I can catch some dinner, just to mess around, and I can hang out with my dog. Stay tuned. Already packed the worms and everything in here. Got my worms, got a few drinks, got a stringer. I've got my fishing pole. Gonna bring bullet. Oh, my back. Chill out, dude. Let's see what we can catch. Make sure my phone don't fall out. Well, let's stop. Off we go. Watch out. Crazy. There's gotta be fish here. What you think, bullet? Oh, wow, look at that. Something just took off. What was that? Hey, good boy. He's a good boy. He's a happy boy. Oh my gosh, what was that? What is that? I should have brought a bottom rod too. What the heck is that? There's something coming up and gulping air. That's cool. There's something big in here, folks. Freaking tilapia. Wait, what is that? No, it's a Mayan cichlid. A little Mayan cichlid. Ow! Suckers are ferocious. Whew. Oh my gosh, what is that? Heck yeah, there's some big old bluegills in here, boys. That's big enough to keep. How the hell did that happen? Keeper. Where's that, buddy? Ow! It's a nice one. Big enough to eat. Oh, getting hit. Oh, what is that? This was a little too small. What's that noise? Oh, oh my gosh. What is that? Look at the bass. Maybe that's what that was. Little bass. Oh, he inhaled it. I get it. Oh, here's something. Oh my gosh, what is that? Holy Mayan cichlid. Pull it, Mayan cichlid. Oh, he inhaled it. What the hell? They're so strong. That sucker is hungry. Cichlid going on the stringer. Two fish. Spot number 2. I just came from the other side over there. I went ahead, took Bullet back to the house. He was getting too hot. I don't know how deep it is though. You're gonna see me tap the water with my rod. Sometimes that'll trigger them to bite. There's something. Look at that. Oh, it broke me off, dude. Oh my god, that was something huge. Oh, it didn't break me off. It just, holy. After that one good bite, I didn't really get any more bites, so I decided to move on. All right, this is spot number 3. Nuh-uh. Whoop, getting hit. I'm in the wrong spot. Fish biting over here. Oh, there he is. Yep, that's him. Whoa! Alright. That's a nice one.
I lose this fish, he rolls right in the water.
Well, that's one way to lose a fish. Oh, he was right there. He's still there? No. Oh, there's one. Oh, nice. Huge one. Oh, there's something. Oh, no key. They're all real pretty coming out here, that's for sure. Man, I can't believe I lost that freaking other one. Is it shallow or what the hell? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, baby, what is that? Oh my God, look at that. That's a nice shell cracker. Going back to spot number 1, folks. There's a storm coming. Gonna jump on the dirt bike and maybe try it a little bit more and then call it quits. Last spot. Small. Oh, he might be a keeper. No, he's too small. Alright, that's it. They're too small. I'm done. Alright, made it home, folks. I'm gonna clean those fish and I don't know how I'm gonna cook them. Probably put them in some panko or something. God, such a pretty fish. Oh well. I'm just gonna fillet them all. Then I'll return the carcasses to where they came, because there's a bunch of catfish in there, so. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Mix the stuff. Much, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so take your wrap, lettuce, onion, that's good. A little pepper, already seasoned salt.
Hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.